Upgrade your EDC with these tactical pocket multi-tools, compact, powerful, and built for any situation. The Tactica M100 results from extensive research and development to ensure it fits the needs of our customers. Pairing materials typically used in military and aerospace applications, the Tactica M100 features the best in lightweight and strong composite technology with the hard-wearing properties of hardened stainless steel. The Puna is designed for the modern world. Beautifully designed, meticulously engineered, and exceptionally flexible, the Puna is your perfect everyday carry tool. Each Puna comes equipped with a water, shock and dust-resistant case plus 5 interchangeable number 11 blades. Modeled on an assault rifle, this little multi-tool is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand but packs a lot of heat. In total, there are 6 built-in functions, including a scalpel, a hex tool, a bottle opener, a keychain attachment, and a helpful breakaway handle. G-Key is an innovative, compact multi-tool like nothing seen before. It's truly a work of art with engineering that combines everyday common tools into one sleek little punch that delivers endless capability. G-Key features many common tools that have been used for decades and proven essential for everyday fixes. G-Key is a new multi-tool that will change the way you look at and use multi-tools. We say that it was designed for the modern geek, but in reality everyone will find many uses for this toolbox stored on your keychain. Introducing ByTool 2.0 Lit, a universal multi-tool, even better. 6 features packed in one bar. ByTool 2.0 improves your DIY works, don't need to carry a messy toolbox. Moreover, Lit allows you to carry your keys and other gear even better. The compact and magnetic design makes it smarter than rest of the tools in the world. ByTool 2.0 Lit can be attached to almost everything, from your keys, jacket, daily bag to any kinds of traveling stuff. It will be suitable for any indoor or outdoor activity. Remove your tire, valve core and open your post-ride beverage with this inclusive lever. A tire lever for modern tubeless bicycle tire maintenance. Built-in valve core removers ensure you can change a tire, install a tube or add sealant to your tubeless tire wheel systems. No more searching for the elusive valve core remover. Whether in the shop or on the go, the Lifeboat tire lever has you covered. The Orbit Pen is the world's first fidget pen equipped with magnetized spinning mechanism, allowing you to stack and spin multiple pens at the same time, creating a stunning acrobatic performance. The sophisticated design features components that encourage instinctual maneuvering. The pen's short length enables it to be spun between the thumb and forefinger, while also expanding to create a longer, more functional writing utensil. Complementing the ability to spin, the Orbit Pen also features other fidget implements. Both ends of the pen itself twist, the bottom end rotates smoothly whereas the top turns around a ridged base to provide a very textural feeling. Anywhere Tools transforms your everyday carry from a bulky, oddly shaped, noisy assemblage of things you are always hauling around to a fully customizable set of modular tech and tools that accompany you on all of your adventures without getting in the way. The Anywhere Pocket Clip, an improved modular stacking system, gives you a whole new array of carry options for cutting-edge tech and tool modules in addition to attaching them to the keyport devices. Stack M, Clip M, Take M. Anywhere. Anywhere Tools is a major addition to Keyport's modular everyday carry system by introducing a series of new tech and tool modules along with another way to carry them, the Anywhere Pocket Clip.